Where are you taking it? What are you doing? Oh, look, it makes sound. It makes a squeaky sound. What are you playing with? Oh. Let's go ahead and see what we have today. Wow, that's an awesome train. Let's go ahead and fill it up with the balls, and so it gets like a ball pit. Hello? Okay, so let's go ahead and show you this train from all sides. Look at these awesome wheels. You can see lots of balls, colorful balls here, and this is
yeah, this is so fun.
Here you can see the rear side, sideways, and look at this. Look at this. We can see Thomas' head, and because it's a train with four wheels on each side, it looks awesome, right? So let's see what kind of surprise we have today here. Oh, Imran got troublesome truck. Did you get troublesome truck? Yeah, he got troublesome truck. You can see troublesome truck. We have another Thomas. What is he looking for? Looks like you got something. What did you get?
I got a Thomas hat.
Yay, you're wearing Thomas hat. Did you get a
look at
transformer,
our
Thomas? Yeah, it has something hidden on it. Take the buffer off, you'll see a transformer.
A buffer?
No, I mean like a funnel. Yeah, look at this transformer. What next?
I don't
Search
know.
it, search it.
Ooh.
Oh, we got another Thomas with
A
the
Thomas
crayon.
Bass crayon.
Yep. What else?
Oh.
You got a cell phone? That's awesome. Oh, that's a cool cell phone.
I get to talk to the engines on this.
What else you have here? Oh, looks like another cell phone you got.
Another cell phone,
Thomas
but
cell
this
phone.
one's new.
Hi, Thomas. Hello, Percy.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello, sir.
Don't delay.
Did you get a happy face?
Wait. A happy face balloon. Right. It's so slippery.
What else you have? Oh, that's cool minis. Let me see. The minis.
Superhero minis, DC. Not Marvel.
Look at this. That's awesome superheroes. 1, 2, 3 for all superheroes. What else you have?
One of them is a bad guy on there.
Okay. Do you have anything else? Look, you got something else. Yay!
It's
That's
another
another minis. Is that a superhero too? Yeah, that's even Supergirl.
This one's a bad guy.
Ah, okay. Don't talk about the bad guy.
Ah.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. That's really fun. What are you playing with? Oh. A green color one. And it has a cool light inside. The light. I turn the light on. He wants to play with that. Look at the light too. See the light? This is awesome.
Yeah.
He loves it. Turn the light on. The lights are on. Alright, this is the other one which is blue. All three are with light now. They are really awesome. This one looks like Guido of Disney Cars. Yellow, green, and blue. So let me put this one right here. Just like that. Look, the yellow one is blinking and this one starts blinking as well. And he's playing with the Guido one. The one that looks like Guido, which is blue one. These are really fun to play with. See the light is changing its color. Oh, look at this. He's having fun with the blue one. He's trying to see what is causing that. Yes.